Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while, as a normal excuse, life got in the way. Had a fairly big career change work-wise. I'm now pursuing my passion in motor sport. Well, actually I'm selling auto parts, which is pretty cool. Love the job. So on the normal hours now, and yeah, great job just selling all auto parts and whatnot, and yeah, loving it. So I thought I'd do a bit of an update on where we are with the projects. As you can see, the blue one here, I haven't done a lot to it, but we've got it set up again. Basically I've made a fairly big change in regards to the electrical side, but I'll show that on another episode, because yeah, it's a pretty big decision and financial output I had to do, but that's the blue one. As you know, this is the autocross car, so I'm going to belt the shit out of this year. So 96 Hyundai, it's only a single camera, but we're going to do a bit of work to it today, so I'll do some video on that. As you can see, we've got the racing seat bolted in there properly now. I had to do a couple of modifications and made some brackets for the rails, so we use the factory rails. And I've done a couple other, I've got to make some mounts. I've made a mount for the rear seat. The rear seat bracket. As you can see, there's two bolts there. It's actually a metal plate underneath that, 5mm metal plate that comes up with the HT bolts. I've got to pick up some harness strap bits, which I'll show you later, and then I've got to pull the seat out, or mark up and pull the seat out so we can put the other three on. So that harness and that'll be today. And the oil, it's got an oil leak, so we're going to replace the oil, the rock cover seal, and put some new oil and a new filter in it today. So that's today's job, and basically get it a bit closer, because the autocross is test and tunes coming up on the 9th, which I think's either next Saturday or the Saturday after. So we got to get this done. So that's that done. And then kind of gave you a quick speak. I don't know if you can see with the show, there we are, the E46, that's the daily now. I'll do a bit of a rundown on that another day. And you know, the green cranky ute, which is getting some work done on as well. So everything's moving along now that I was a bit more situated and set up with the new job and whatnot. So I'll get into it, and we'll give you some video over the day. Righto, so we've done a few things. It's the next day. Well, probably a couple of days now. The seats all secure in the autocross car, as you can see. Honky dory. All the harnesses are strapped in. You can see down there, and hopefully you can't see over there. But yeah, we've got the big bolts and the metal plates underneath the car. I'm not going to get underneath and have a show you, but yep. And here we've got the back one underneath the floor there, where you can see those two large bolts coming out of the floor, is a 40 by 5mm thick plate that has those bolts coming up through the bottom of them. They're welded on, so they're like working as studs. So they're bolted down, they're nice and secure, so they're all good. We've done the done the rock cover seal. Well, you can't really see it, but rock cover seal's done, so that's not leaking anymore. All we've got to do is an oil change, and we're going to put a little bit of plate across that there, just a bit of tin just to cover it up so it looks a bit neater, and then we'll give her a wash. So the next video you'll see of the green Hyundai will be the naming. We've got a name for it. Young bloke named it. So we're going to wash it and put some stickers on her so she looks a bit cooler, and the yeah, get it ready for the test and tune. So the test and tune's not this Saturday, it's the following Saturday. So I'll probably get onto the oil change and that this week sometime. Won't take long. And then like I said with the blue car, it's a bit dark because I haven't turned the lights on. But yeah, you all know the blue car, the Turbo SR. So we've got a big addition going into this, which will definitely make the tuning and moving forward on the project a lot better. So that'll be on the next one, probably towards the end of the week, hopefully. And yeah, we're moving along. It's been a long process, like I said. We've had a bit of a career change with the new job, and that's pretty busy during the week. So yeah, good things coming. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And like I said, the next month's going to be a big month. We've got the test and tune coming up, and then we're going up to Burnout King in Perth on the 15th of next month. So that'll be good. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.